Hello, everyone. I'm your AI host, Knowhy, your ultimate guide to interactive AI video creation.
Welcome back to episode 4 of our JSON-based AI video workflow overview series.
We've seen the big picture. Today, we step into the world of JSON, the backbone of AI video.
You might ask, why cover a programming data format on an AI video channel?
Understanding this global tech standard unlocks the door to advanced and precise video direction.
In this lesson, we will firmly grasp JSON's strict rules, data types, and core structures. We'll expand our vision from simple data to JSON objects that structure objects and scenes. Today's highlight: we'll explore how the JSON schema, our mental frame, applies to AI video. I'll reveal the exciting link between proven gaming tech and our cutting-edge AI workflow.
If you've used Python or Unity, your knowledge will transfer instantly to AI video.
Let's begin mastering the essentials of JSON right now. Stay tuned and don't blink.
What is JSON?
Computers receive and process data. The most basic data formats are variables and arrays. However, as the size of data grew, arrays alone became insufficient for handling large datasets. As a result, XML was developed and used to clearly represent data by adding tags. For example, the Excel you're familiar with is based on XML. But XML has a drawback. It contains too many tags, making it heavy and difficult for computers to process efficiently. That's where JSON comes in. JSON removes unnecessary tags and uses a simple key and value structure to represent data concisely. Today, JSON is the standard data format used by IT companies worldwide, including Google, Naver, and Kakao.
What are JSON data types and rules?
JSON has a simple structure but very strict rules. First, strings must always use double quotes. Second, keys and values are connected using a colon. Third, there are 6 data types in JSON: string, number, boolean, null, array, object.
What is the difference between JSON data and a JSON object?
When you first see JSON, you might think, oh, it's just a way to pass data around. But once you start using it, you begin to realize, wait a second. If everything is structured as key-value pairs, couldn't we represent real-world things this way too? For example, you can describe a person, a desk, or even a flower using key-value pairs. So when we're simply dealing with key-value structured information, we call it JSON data. And when we use that same structure to model real-world objects, we call it a JSON object.
What exactly is a JSON schema, and what role does it play in a Flow AI JSON prompt?
You've probably seen expressions in the media like seeing the world through tinted glasses, or cases where people are unfairly labeled, where a left-wing or right-wing frame is put on them. In psychology, this reflects the idea that people don't see the world as it is, but rather through the particular frames they carry with them. In computing, this idea of a frame is called a schema. Just like people interpret the world through the frames they've been given, computers also rely on predefined structures to interpret and validate data accurately. That structure is what we call a JSON schema. Since our channel focuses on AI video production, we'll be working with JSON schemas tailored for that purpose. Although conversational AI video might seem like a brand new, cutting-edge field, its foundations actually come from deep learning-based game development and metaverse technologies. So we're not stepping into something completely unfamiliar. Instead, we're building on JSON schemas that have already been developed, refined, and proven in the game and metaverse industries. On this channel, we'll explore advanced techniques that take those schemas and apply them to AI video production. And if you already have experience working with JSON in tools like Python or Unity, you'll be able to build on that knowledge and quickly start creating high-level AI videos.
In this session, we briefly covered the essential basics of JSON that are necessary for practical AI video production. If you'd like a more precise definition or deeper understanding of JSON, I encourage you to explore additional resources on your own.